Y'all, I just got through doing this orange barbecue chicken. My kitchen smells amazing. Very simple ingredients, very old school, so easy. If I can do it, so can you. So stick around for my totally easy, super delicious, tender, juicy, super flavorful orange barbecue chicken coming right up. Greetings. I hope everybody is doing okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever it so happens to be that you are watching my latest foodie vlog, which is going to be some delicious orange barbecue chicken. My grandmother actually used to make this with a pork shoulder. She would make sort of like a barbecue pork shoulder with, she would slow cook it, have it the meat falling off the bone, and then she would make an orange barbecue sauce glaze. She would let it caramelize. She would make the sauce, and then she would pour it over that pork shoulder, and she would let that sauce caramelize into a glaze in the oven, or she would do it on the grill sometimes. I am doing it with chicken, but you can really do this with any kind of meat that you want to use. It is sweet, it is savory, it is delicious. I'm going to start by baking my seasoned chicken. You can also air fry or grill your chicken. I'm going to bake my chicken and get it nice and crispy. I'm going to get a nice golden brown skin on my chicken, but it's going to be tender and juicy on the inside. All I have done is season my chicken with a little seasonal, salt. You guys know I always use that salt-free Mrs. Dash because it helps me to use less of the seasoned salt. Paprika also helps me use less salt, less sodium, less seasoned salt, because it browns your meat without, having all of that seasoned salt. And seasoned salt has a lot of paprika in it. That's what gets your food kind of golden brown. So if I can use more salt-free seasoning and paprika, then I can use less salt on my meats or vegetables. But you do want your meat very well seasoned. You don't want it under seasoned. And I'm also using a little onion powder. I've got some Stubbs barbecue sauce. I've got a little non-stick spray that I've sprayed on my chicken. I have some vinegar. I have my orange and my zester because I'm going to be using the juice of the orange as well as the zest of the orange. And I have a little apricot, however you want to say it, preserves. You can also use peach or pineapple preserves. It really doesn't matter. And that helps add, along with the vinegar, that tanginess, and then you get the sweetness from the fruit and the preserves. It's just going to be delicious. I want to thank you guys for being a friend to this channel, subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing. Let's get into this delicious orange barbecue chicken recipe. And you guys can see I already have my chicken very well seasoned. I'm going to let it sit for about 20 minutes. Let those seasonings just permeate and get inside, and then it's going to be time to bake this chicken. And I'm going to show you the chicken when it's golden brown. We're going to make the sauce, get the sauce caramelized, and you're going to see some beautiful, delicious orange barbecue chicken. Yum! Get ready to make this sauce for this chicken. I love Stubbs barbecue sauce, but use any kind of barbecue sauce you want. If I need a little bit more, I have some more barbecue sauce in my fridge. But this should be enough. Use as much barbecue sauce for as much chicken as you have. If you have a lot more chicken than what I'm using here, then you will most definitely need a bottle or more. Sorry, I had to hit this bottle to open it. Let me do it again. When gases are, there it goes. Gases are trapped in a bottle. I'm just going to eyeball a little vinegar. How about 1-2 tablespoons? Almost 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Almost. I have those preserves. Like I say, you can use any kind of fruit preserve you want. A heaping tablespoon of fruit preserves. Mix it. And it's orange. Make sure this orange is nice. Your orange is nice and clean. 1 medium large or large orange. Your clean hands. This orange look like it wants me to eat it up, but I'm using it for this sauce. So let's squeeze the juice. We're not looking for the pulp. If you don't have any fresh orange, just use some orange juice. Add some orange juice to this. I don't want that piece of the orange in there. So and I do have a juicer, but I don't feel like taking it out right now, so I'm just juicing with my hands. So half of that large orange, the juice of half of that large orange, and about a teaspoon of onion powder, and whisk it good. All right, sorry, I had to do that. All right, friends, countrymen, lend me your eyes and ears. All right, here we go. Let me come in. Y'all know this is an amateur operation, so you're not gonna see no type of perfection. Just a woman cooking in her little kitchen. So, where in the heck did I put? Okay, so there's my chicken that I got. I have, it's nice and crisp skin. That crisp skin there, but not too. My chicken is not going to be tough and dry, but I did want that skin to be nice and golden. So, what the heck? Pour that nice. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, that smells good. Oh, ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Make sure your chicken is coated with this lovely orange barbecue sauce. And rinse my hands off. Look at that. That's already looking gorgeous. Look at that chicken. So I still have a piece of this, less than half of this piece of orange left. And I just want some for garnish. Make it look pretty. Make it look pretty here on my pan. And I also want oh Lord, am I doing this right with this zest? I also want a little bit of light, there it go, light zest. That's right, I'm also doing the zest. That's how I'm rolling. Not too much. Watch your fingers, because this zester will tear your finger up. A little bit of zest. Did I get that wing? Alright. Look at that. So I'm getting ready to preheat my oven. I should have been and done this. I'm slipping. I'm telling you. When you know, trying to do multiple things. But I usually have had my oven preheated. So preheat my oven to 425. 425. And I want this chicken uncovered. Uncovered. And I'm going to do 10 minutes on 425. In fact, 10 minutes on 425, and then I'm going to do a broil for a couple minutes. So my oven is preheated. Look at that. That chicken is already looking special. Yum. Alright, all I got to do is wait for my oven to come through. So I just took this chicken out of the oven a minute ago. It smells amazing. All you smell in my little kitchen is orange and barbecue. I'm gonna let this sit for about a minute, and then it's time to eat. Alright family, there goes that delicious orange barbecue chicken. Yum! Look at that caramelization of the skin and the sauce from that sweet, juicy orange, and then infused with vinegar, onion powder, apricot or apricot preserves, but that juicy, citrusy orange and the zest of that orange. Nice, fresh chicken that was seasoned and cooked with a nice brown, crispy skin, and then doused with this amazing, simple, old school orange barbecue sauce. Look at that wing. Oh my goodness. Look at the thigh, nice and juicy, sexy thigh. Look at that drum. Just ready for your mouth. Look at that. Yum. I'm getting ready to fix a plate. 2 plates. Have a friend coming over to visit. We're going to have this chicken, this orange barbecue, delicious, simple, fast, easy, tasty, scrumptious, tender, juicy, orange barbecue chicken with some mac and cheese and either some broccoli or cream spinach. I haven't decided yet. All right, y'all. Lord have mercy.